Hey friends, if you wish to add a Facebook icon or shortcut to your desktop, then I'll guide you through the best practice in this case. Open your browser and then go to facebook.com. Hit enter and open facebook.com. You need not log in. Simply click on this option to install the Facebook app, or to be in an informative mode, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select more tools, select apps, and then click on view apps. Okay, and then click on install this application. This will install the Facebook app. Select create desktop shortcut and then click on allow. That's it, you're done. Just go to the desktop and you'll find the Facebook app shortcut. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.